Greeley police arrested 24-year-old Mariah Lynn Aguilar Wednesday night after a three-car crash injured two people, one of whom was Aguilar. The crash occurred about 10:30 p.m. Wednesday night near the intersection of Highway 34 bypass and 47th Avenue. Aguilar was treated at a hospital for a cut to the head and booked into the Weld County Jail on felony and misdemeanor complaints. Another unidentified driver was taken to a hospital as a precaution, and the third driver, 35-year-old Jesse Maddox, was not injured. Greeley police continued to investigate the cause of the crash.